Ever dreamt of owning a pool? Imagine the convenience of a refreshing dip on a hot summer day, right in the comfort of your backyard. It's a tantalizing prospect indeed. But with so many types of pools to choose from, each with its own maintenance needs, how do you decide which one's right for you? Let's dive right in. In terms of in-ground pools, there are several options. Concrete pools, for example, are incredibly durable and can be customized to any shape or size. But remember, they require a significant amount of maintenance, including regular cleaning, chemical balancing, and the occasional resurfacing. Fiberglass pools are another popular choice. Known for their durability and ease of maintenance, the non-porous surface of these pools inhibits algae growth, reducing the need for chemical treatment. They come in various pre-molded shapes but offer less customization than their concrete counterparts. Then there are vinyl-lined pools. These are the most budget-friendly in-ground option. However, they require regular liner replacements and are susceptible to punctures. Moving on to above-ground pools, they're typically more affordable and quicker to install. They're a great choice for those seeking temporary solutions or for smaller spaces. However, keep in mind that they may not add significant value to your property. Then we have the specialty pools. These include infinity pools, known for their stunning visual effect, lap pools designed for fitness enthusiasts, and saltwater pools, which offer a softer feel on the skin and eyes. There are also natural pools that use plants and aquatic life for filtration, plunge pools perfect for small spaces, and pools that combine the functionality of a pool and a spa. When choosing the right pool for your home, it's essential to consider factors such as local regulations, space, and soil conditions, and your budget. Research any local regulations or HOA restrictions that might affect pool placement and size. Depending on your chosen pool type and location, you may need to obtain permits and undergo inspections during construction. And remember, in-ground pools require enough space and suitable soil conditions for excavation and proper drainage. In conclusion, choosing the right pool for your home involves considering the type of pool that best suits your lifestyle, the space available, and the level of maintenance you're willing to undertake. Whether you're looking for an in-ground concrete pool, an above-ground pool, or a specialty pool, understanding their differences and maintenance requirements is key to making an informed decision. Happy swimming!